when you're considering spine surgery, lifestyle is really important. And the one thing that we really want patients to know is we understand it is scary. It is a scary proposition, and we are very much there for you in all capacities.
I know a lot of people are very apprehensive about going to see a neurosurgeon because they instantly think that surgery is going to be the first thing that they're going to recommend, and that is 100% not true. I'm Keri Deherrera, and I'm 42 years old. I had a 2-level artificial disc replacement in my cervical spine. I am an athlete, I'm a coach, very active. However, I started to notice the pain start when I was on vacation. Just had some tension like in my neck. Just thought, oh, I'm in my 40s, did some travel. Must just be like some stiffness from that. And it really quickly over the next couple of weeks progressed, got very painful, started burning all the way down to my arm. When I was waiting for the appointment to come see Dr. Ament, my symptoms got really bad, and I actually ended up in the emergency room. When I saw Dr. Ament, he said, most of the time when he sees patients, he wants to go the conservative route before suggesting surgery. And with me, he said that my nerves in my arm were literally dying and time was of the essence. So he managed to get me in very quickly to have the surgery done. Not being able to lift my arm, like physically lift it, like no matter how hard I tried, was a lot to go through. It was very emotional. And not being able to do like very simple things was very difficult because I'm also a mom. I work and have a very active lifestyle. So not having the ability to use my arm was very distressing. Dr. Ament was very caring, thoughtful. Like when I met with him, he wanted me to preserve my motion in my neck because I'm a very active person and a coach. And I really appreciated this because the last time I had talked to some surgeons about addressing it, they wanted to fuse my neck. And at the time I was 38 years old when my neck became symptomatic again, and I saw Dr. Ament. He assured me that I was a candidate for artificial disc replacement, and I felt very comfortable with that. And also he has a really good history of doing non-fusion and artificial disc replacement, and I definitely felt comfortable working with them. I feel great. My motion in my neck is fantastic. Honestly, I kind of wish that I would have had this done sooner. And I really want to educate people about health of their spine, especially considering that I was someone who was very fit, healthy, and even with all that, something can go wrong. It can happen to anyone, and it's really important to watch out for the signs and take care of your spine. And if you do, you need to find someone like Dr. Ament who will care about your movement and your future, because that's just so important. Dr. Ament is going to do everything conservatively before suggesting surgery, and if he does suggest surgery, you're in good hands because he is going to make sure that you come out better than you were going in.
The good news is, unless it is an emergency, paralyzing emergency, a lot of spine surgery is not life or death. It's quality of life. How your condition is affecting your quality of life, the activities you like to do, your daily activities that give you happiness, and that's really important.